get a job. Bitch, I'm independent, real raw.
This definitely could shoot up. This was, I think news just hit right here, to be honest. I think there was some news that happened, but basically,
Yeah.
and then basically you're looking to buy right here, boom. So the current price is that, boom, and then take it up to the targets. Stop loss right under, so it's about 11 pip stop loss for about. So it's a 2-to-1 setup, 2 point something to 1 setup. That's a 2-to-1 setup. So basically, it'll shoot up like that.
And it's ready to keep going up.
Exactly. So that's what we're gonna be looking at on this one, and we'll definitely see how it plays out tomorrow.
Yeah.